Hey guys, welcome back to our vegan channel. We've got a great recipe for you today. I actually filmed this recipe the other day and then I said to myself, wait a minute, this is really good, but I want to make it easier and healthier. So this is the new and improved. No one will ever see the other version. It's gone. It's for crispy garlic chicken balls. I've never had these before, other than the ones I made the other day, but they're really good. Alright, these are really simple. We're going to start off with the first two ingredients, which is TVP, which is textured vegetable protein. This is basically soy curls, but like crunched down into like little tiny gravel. We're going to reconstitute them with the same amount of chicken bouillon. Today, I'm lucky enough to have found the Better Than Bouillon no chicken base. I usually get the vegetable one, which is okay, but this one has such a better chicken flavor, but no chicken in it. It smells wonderful. It smells like chicken noodle soup. It's just so nice. So I'm gonna add this. It was in hot water, so it's gonna absorb really quickly. We're just gonna let this sit for 5 minutes while I get the rest of the ingredients together, and then we're gonna mix it all up. And we're back. So this has all soaked up the liquid. That's ready to go. I've got all the dry ingredients here and the not so dry ingredients. I've got some cornstarch, some nutritional yeast, some fresh ginger, some fresh garlic, some onion powder. Actually, it's not onion powder, it's granulated onion, some vital wheat gluten. So we're just going to put all of these right in the mixing bowl. The other day I did it by hand. Today I'm being very lazy and I'm just going to do it in my KitchenAid.
I do not blame you. Right?
It's been a long weekend. And here I have 4 ounces of extra firm tofu just mashed with a fork. I'm going to put that in as well. And that is basically like all of the ingredients. I forgot the last 2 ingredients. There's a lot going on here. We've also got some cooking sherry, which I don't really like to use, but I'm just going to use very little for the taste. And low sodium soy sauce or liquid aminos, whatever you have. We're just going to use a tablespoon of that. Now we can go to the KitchenAid. Okay? We're just going to mix this until it starts to come together. Alright, so I'm going to be using this scoop, so I just want to make sure that it's going to hold together. And that looks perfect.
Ooh, pass the test.
Alright, so we're going to take our scoop and scoop out all of the same size balls, and we're going to put it on our steamer rack over here, and this is going to go in our pressure cooker. Whoa, this looks even better than the other day. I'm so glad I decided to reshoot this. So these are all the balls. You have to squeeze them together to make sure that they stick together, but we're putting it in the pressure cooker. You could also steam these for 20 minutes. We're going to put these under pressure for 10 minutes. Thank you. We're going to do our old standby poultry. We're going to adjust our cook time down to 10 minutes. And we're going to hit start. Make sure your valve is closed, and we'll be back. Alright, here they are out of the steamer, aka pressure cooker. They're nice and firm and beautiful. So we're just going to put them in the bowl. I let them cool off a little bit because I didn't want to burn my hands.
Good idea.
Right, so I'm just going to get these all in here. Now you're not supposed to use any oil in the pressure cooker. Not in the pressure cooker, in the air fryer. I got an air fryer today, guys.
Woo!
This is the inaugural run of the air fryer. So fingers crossed. Obviously it's more healthy because it's not deep fried and it's going to have the nice crispy outside without the frying. Homer said, can I get one of those? Not now. I'm just going to use a very light spray of the avocado oil. Just for a little extra crispiness. It's not like I'm dousing them in oil. I'm going to give them just a light toss before, just make sure they're completely coated. Then I'm going to coat the outside with some cornstarch. I don't want to do like breadcrumbs or whatever because that's not Asian. This is Asian to use cornstarch or arrowroot. And this is an Asian dish. So I'm just going to give a little sprinkling, not too much, because made a mistake last time and I put too much and it looked like snowballs. So I'm just going to coat it. Let all of the cornstarch absorb into the oil. And then we're going to put it in the fryer basket, in the air fryer basket. Alright, so if anybody's interested, I got a Power Air Fryer XL. This is the 5.3 quart. I wanted to make sure that I got one big enough for the entire family because some of them are kind of small and they're not good for a big family. This one is pretty big, as you can see. It's got a pretty big basket. So I'm just going to put my balls in here.
Yeah!
Get your balls in the basket. So we're going to take it over to the air fryer. This is the first time I'm using it, so
We'll see.
let's turn it on. 370, it said for 10 minutes. So, oh, okay. And start, I guess, is nothing.
Okay.
Alright, so we'll come back in like 10 minutes and see what these balls look like. Alright, there they
Oh my
are.
God.
They were actually in for a total of 12 minutes. I did 10, checked it and said, you know what, I think you
go
look
for,
like
like,
you...
2 more.
Yeah. If you're doing these in a toaster oven or an oven, I would do them at 375 for about 20 to 25 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
So, why
I am
don't you give it a
so
taste?
excited to try these just because the other day they were already so good and now that you're making them even better.
Yeah. Yeah, the dogs are always drinking when we're doing this.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Imagine that with some duck sauce dip or some...
You don't even need any dip. Like, it's so pure and wholesome. I'm going to take one more bite and then hand it over to you to try.
Okay.
Oh! So good.
I got 1/3 of a ball here. Mmm.
That's amazing.
That is amazing. Wow.
The air fryer made it so crispy on the outside.
Yeah, and like almost no oil.
Mm-hmm.
So, guys, I hope you try it whether you have an air fryer or not. I think you'll really enjoy it. Subscribe for more videos like these. Give it a thumbs up if you like this type of recipe. And until next time, much love.